Aradhya here. Today I'm in Chef Aradhya. So April is here and it's getting so hot and we are all lazy. Idea to beat the heat. We are going to make watermelon popsicles and watermelon juice in peak style. So we need watermelons or round spoon, some straws, a napkin to clean the mess, a jar, some ice popsicle molds, and a big round bowl. First, we will cut the watermelon with our mamas or papas. So, after cutting the watermelon, we will take this round spoon and scoop the watermelon out. And it will be watermelon balls. Now I will cut it. If you're not getting it, you can also take Mama's Papa's help in this. As you can see, I'm not able to make perfect balls. So I'll take my mama's help.
Sure.
So you can see as I am eating watermelon balls. Oh, it's so yummy. I'm supposed to try it. They're so yummy and just... So the juice is ready now. Now we are going to strain the juice with the help of this strainer. Now we will take help of spoon. We will try to use the pulp also to make the watermelon popsicles. If you waste is there in the strainer, I tried to use all the pulps for the watermelon popsicles. Now we will keep this aside and fill our watermelon popsicles with the help of this spoon. So it's all filled now. Now I am going to put the sticks in. Now we will keep it in the freezer. It will take 24 hours to make perfect popsicles. So now, remember when we took the spoon and cut the little balls out of the watermelon? And then it became an empty watermelon ball. At here, my beach style watermelon juice is ready. and you can pour some ice here and drink, enjoy. And make this beach style watermelon juice style at your home and pour some ice cubes in this and enjoy your watermelon beach style drink. Enjoy your beach style watermelon juice at home. Also, please like, share and subscribe.